everyone, how are you doing? I hope the start of the week has been good for you. I myself was not having a good day, so I decided, you know what, let's do another unboxing, cheer myself up, because hanging out with you guys does make me feel better. What have we got today? You've seen the picture and the title, you know we're here for Roccabox. But Roccabox has had a makeover. Have a look. We have got a completely pink cardboard box which can now be fully recycled. That's the aim of their game, so I'm really impressed with that. Well done, Roccabox. If you want to see what's inside, you know you have to give me a thumbs up, don't forget to ring the notification bell, share the video, and lastly, subscribe. Subscribers have the most fun, don't you know? Alright, let's get into the video. What do we see? The information, and underneath that, wow, that looks like a pretty full box, doesn't it? What do they have to say this month? Hey girls, we've gone green. Not literally, but our brand new boxes are 100% recyclable. We're super excited about them and hope you love them as much as we do. This month's box is the Galentines box with some fabulous bits and bobs that will help you prep for February the 14th. Whether that be with your ladies or with your man, we hope you're feeling the love. There we go. Sounds good. Right, what should we start with? Well, let's start with this. This is from Sanctuary Spa and it is a moisturiser that you put on when you're wet. Finish your shower, turn the water off while still soaking wet, apply the product like you would any body moisturiser, and then towel dry and get ready as normal. I have used this before and it does work. However, for me personally, because I moisturise from head to toe, when I use this I can't really see or be sure where the moisturiser's gone, so it makes me feel a bit weird. Because if I don't moisturise completely, I feel weird. It's an actual problem. Like, you know, I'm not going to die of it, but it is an issue for me. So for me, this isn't my favourite product. And I'm also not sure if this saves time, because if you dry yourself and then moisturise, rather than moisturise and then dry yourself, what's the difference? I don't know. I don't get it. But it does actually work, because when I have tested it, I have noticed the bits where I moisturised and went over a couple of times, did stay moisturised after I dried. I don't get it as a product, but I do like things from Sanctuary. They smell amazing. I'm not sure if this has a scent or not, I can't remember. Oh, it does have a lovely scent. Yeah, all Sanctuary products smell really good and I would recommend most of them, but this one's not for me, but I'll put it in my giveaway pass. I'm sure somebody will enjoy it someday. Yeah, so that is the first item. And Roccabox say, this unique way of moisturising is clinically proven to lock moisture, doubling the hydration for instantly softer and smoother skin. Soaking instantly into the skin, this ultra light and non-greasy moisturiser infused with apricot oil and avocado oil. Right, what is this? Ooh, something from Cougar Beauty Products. Because they kind of change their name sometimes, because they trade under some different names like CB, and sometimes they're just Cougar products, and I don't know. Anyway, I know this is part of cougarbeautyproducts.com because it says so on my sheet down here. And it's perfect pout, volume and shape. So what does this mean? Apply to lips evenly, product will make lips tingle. Perfect Pout is not just any old lip gloss. Perfect Pout has an active ingredient of Volulip. It works to increase the volume of the lips, decrease anti-aging and anti-sagging effect on the lips, and improves hydration and softness of the lips. Okay, this is a full-size item, which is cool. And out of the packaging, it looks like this. You must be able to put it on over things as well. I guess maybe the moisturising, long-lasting bits don't work over other products, but let's try it. Smells kind of mentholy. Definitely adds some shine, and I like that it's got a plastic applicator rather than a brush, because I can wipe this lipstick off. So my lips should get bigger and they should look less saggy. Volume and shape definition. Now why would it give me shape definition? I understand like the tingliness making my lips look more plump, but why shape definition? I don't know. What do we think? There is some good shine, and although I can feel it tingling, it's not burning, which is very important, because sometimes we've had some of these products and they're too hardcore. Right, what is next? Let's do these. I'm very pleased to see that we have the shampoo and the conditioner, because I hate it when people give you one or other and say this is one item and the shampoo is the other item. No, they're a joint item. They need to come together, and that's what Roccabox have done. So thank you very much, Roccabox. I'm pleased. This is from Charles Worthington. It's Volume and Bounce Shampoo. Give hair a lightweight 24-hour sky high boost. And it's called Takeaways. So whether boosted from the roots or given bounce on body in the mid-lengths, some of the most glamorous red carpet styles rely on volume for serious impact. This ultra-light volume-boosting shampoo effectively removes impurities and build-ups that can lead hair to look flat. Because these are small, so they would be like the right size if you were going to take them away, maybe for your weekend away or your night away for your Valentine's trip. This says, enriched with plumping collagen, this cleansing shampoo instantly adds volume from root to tip. And the conditioner says the same thing. They are against animal testing and they're paraben free. Also says that they are enriched with fragrance lock technology developed to infuse scent into each hair strand, giving you fragrance you'll enjoy all day long. So that makes me want to have a little sniff. Oh, they do smell nice. They smell like a really nice shower gel, like a sort of tropically fruity, flowery type of shower gel type thing. You can buy these from Boots at this size, $1.99 each, and they are 3 for 2 on selected travel toiletries at the moment. So you could get the set and get something else for free if this is what you were after. Yeah, this is from Tropez Self Tan Purity Bronzing Water Gel for a natural looking glow in 3 hours. Oh, okay. Just looks like this. This is a tube with a pump on the top, and then you've got the Tropez writing on, goes round it, and inside the product looks clear or maybe slightly yellow, but I think clear, which is amazing, isn't it? How does this turn into tan? I guess we'll find out. With an uplifting tropical scent that gives you natural looking medium golden glow, up to 72 hours of skin hydration to keep your tan looking luscious. No rinse, no streaks, no transfer, and no telltale smell. This is vegan friendly and made with 100% natural tanning actives. Ah, okay. Infused with hibiscus extract to help protect the skin against the effects of pollution and environmental aggressors. Vegan friendly formula and against animal testing. Exfoliate 24 hours before you use this, so you need to get it ready before your big night on the 14th. Let's just do a little pump on my hand. This hasn't gone tingly, by the way, at all. So I guess lip skin is different to hand skin. So it literally comes out like that, and wow, a little goes a long way. That is impressive, actually. That was one pump, and that would cover more than my hand. Probably the back of my hand and my wrist I could do one pump with. And it does smell really good. Oh, what does it remind me of? I wish I could tell you what all these things really smell of, because I remember things, but I cannot think of the word. I don't know, but it is tropical scent. It is really nice. And you wouldn't mind cuddling up to your other half with this on. So yeah, I'm quite impressed with that. Aha! And to go with that, we get this. A Tropez Mitt. The ultimate tanning essential for an even, streak-free and easy distribution. Water-resistant barrier ensures hands remain unstained for flawless results with every application. And this is a full size. On the back of here it says, achieve a flawless golden tan with help from our Tropez Velvet Luxe Tan Applicator Mitt. That is a long name. Made with a sumptuous velvety texture, this mitt glides effortlessly over skin for the ultimate pampering experience while you tan. The highly flexible design easily reaches all body contours, while the deluxe velvety texture provides superior coverage and blending to ensure a seamless streak-free finish. Designed to work with all types of formulation and with an effective liquid-proof barrier, it ensures stain-free hands in every application. And wash it after each use gently in cool water with a mild detergent. I did have a spray tan for my wedding. That was so funny because the lady's like, come on, get your kit off in front of my mum. And I'm like, I don't really get naked in front of my mum anymore. It was a bit weird, but we did it. We survived. It's okay. So that's the velvety side, and it is so soft. It's lovely. So your hand goes that size. You can see in there, it's just like a white layer of sponge. But yeah, that's really cool. I can get my whole hand in as well. Now, if you are a regular tanner, maybe you've got one of these already, but then it's probably nice to have another one ready to go. If you're like me and you've never had one, then it's good to have in your beauty kit, isn't it? I think this is only probably going to do one body though, or some areas of a body. What do you think? How much do you need to do a whole body each time? I don't know, because I never fake tan, but I think this is probably enough to do the bits that you need to do for a special night for Valentine's, which is what we're aiming for, I guess. And then last we have this from Sarah Jessica Parker. This is her fragrance Lovely. Lovely on the inside it says, and there you go. and it's a normal sample spray size, 1.2 mils. Loveliness is everywhere. A touch, a face, a memory, pink pearls, a song, a sexy shoe, a kiss, candlelight, a white orchid, a girl, a woman, a dream, a scent. You only have to look. Top notes of bergamot, lavender and apple martini. Middle notes of patchouli, paper white's creamy orchid. Base notes of cedarwood, white amber and sultry woods musk. I love perfume. I'd be really happy to get a perfume sample in every box, you know. But let's see what they say. Now a beloved classic, Sarah Jessica Parker Lovely brings together elements of innocence and refined sophistication to capture a timeless and ageless fragrance. Lovely is a soft, powdery and discreet, intimate fragrance like a silky white amber. What do you mean like a silky white amber? What is a silky white amber? I don't get it. The fragrance is modern and very charming. Oh, that's lovely. I like it. Lovely is lovely. Well done. So that is our entire box. So the total value of this month's box is £28.55. So that is over twice the box cost. So I'm happy. Well done, Roccabox. You have met that target. But let's look at the items. I do think that everything in here is well themed for Valentine's Day, because these are products to get you ready, get your skin in good condition, get your lips looking perfect, which is what you need if you're going to be doing a lot of snogging. Anyone out there going to be doing a lot of kissing this weekend? The Mitt could have come as one item with the Tropez stuff as well though. But it's okay. I'm going to use everything except for the Sanctuary Spa product because I've already tried it and I know I don't like it. So yeah, this isn't a bad box at all. Well done, Roccabox. I'm pretty pleased. And as they say, even if you're getting ready to hang out with your mates on Friday instead of a date, then all this stuff would work for getting ready for a night out or something like that. So I think that, yeah, they've done a really good job. I'm pleased with Roccabox. I think that's clever. I'm impressed. And I love the fact that they have gone environmentally friendly with their box and that it can be easily recycled. I think that's really great because there's only so many boxes we can hang on to when you get a bunch of beauty boxes. What did you guys think? Is this a Roccabox that you would choose? Would it get you ready for Valentine's Day or Galentine's Day, whichever you're going to be doing? What is the boy version of Galentines? Answers down below. Thank you so much for watching. I hope it was helpful. And my lips are okay. They haven't fallen off my face. Do they look any bigger? I feel like they do look quite big and shiny though, but maybe that's just because they're shiny. I think my lipstick has ruined this whole video now because it's been in place it shouldn't be. I apologise. I can't see too well today, clearly. But thank you guys for watching and I will catch you soon with another unboxing. Until I see you next, take care of yourselves and find something positive in every day. Bye guys.